Hi, this is Janine with CJ Thrift, and it has been probably almost 2 months since my last YouTube video went live, and I pretty much shared my heart with y'all about a health diagnosis, and I wanted to, number one, thank you so much for the responses from that video. Those comments have not only reached me, but they have touched my husband and truly my entire family. They've been reading all the comments as well, and they are truly appreciated, and your prayers are immensely appreciated. So much has happened within that period of time, and just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. And I also wanted to do just a touch of a thrifting DIY of something that I got just right before all of this happened, and I want to wear it, so I want to share it with y'all. Well, first of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wanted to show off my Christmas tree behind me. It's a few days after Christmas, but I am very, very proud of my tree this year because it was put together by many family members that came over and volunteered their time to put it up in stages and kind of take my direction, and they did such a good job. And it's just a reminder to me what a precious gift I have in a family. So I thank you for that, and just wanted to show that off with y'all. Hope y'all had a great Christmas as well with family and friends, and just wanted to give you an update. These past couple months have been a whirlwind. I've definitely had some not so great days of either not feeling well physically as well as emotionally. The Lord has definitely guided me through all of that. And then I've had days where I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good today. In case you missed my last video, I ended up going to the ER back in October, and that was where they discovered cancer in a few different parts of my body, which was quite shocking. I was not expecting that at all. And from there, I have been on just a fast-paced track of diagnostics. I've been through many tests, scans. There for a while, I was doing a bunch of biopsies where I was going under anesthesia almost every week. So that was very challenging and taxing on the body and my emotions as well. But I have really felt all of your prayers, all of my family's prayers over me during this entire time. I ended up doing a test where they were able to find the source of the cancer and found the mass. By the grace of God, my surgeon was able to go in and remove the mass completely. I do have some cells in other parts of my body where I need to take care of that as well. in that same surgery where the mass was removed, I was given an ostomy bag. So I do have an ostomy bag currently, which has been truly a gift of life, but it has also given me some challenges along the way. I'm thankful that they have the technology now that they can do something like this. But essentially, the ostomy bag is there to see me through chemotherapy, which I am currently in. I have just started, and I have a bit of a road ahead of me, and I feel very grateful for the clinic with where I'm going. I have just had miracle after miracle happen throughout this entire process. I've had countless people in the industry, doctors, nurses, surgeons, aides of all kinds, just come up and pray with me. And it's just been phenomenal. I cannot praise the Lord enough for what He's doing for me, how He's seeing me through this very tough journey. And that is where I'm at right now. I'm hoping to be able to get a little bit more into some more simple DIYs and hopefully be able to share them with y'all. I'm definitely still into my fashion, and it's been a very great source of joy for me, and I'm grateful for all of the things that you have seen me thrift over these past months that I've been able to wear, and I've been so grateful. And especially all of this sleepwear and loungewear that you've seen me thrift, it has come in really handy, and it's been great. So I found a pair of jeans back in October, and I filmed it. This was just a few days before I went into the ER, and I wanted to show that footage with you, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I'm going to wear them, how I'm going to modify them, and I have to wear them a little bit different due to my ostomy bag, but I wanted to just share that with y'all, and I just really truly appreciate each and every one of you. So let's go back to October when I was thrifting. I'm here at Goodwill, and these jeans caught my attention. First of all, because of the print of the florals, but then it also has little embroidery daisies on there. This is so cute. Also has it on the back. Let's see. Yeah, it has the embroidery on the back too. That is so adorable. These are universal thread, so just a Target brand, mid-rise 90s baggy. I'm gonna have to try these on to see if they'll work, but $6.99. These are adorable. At least 2 try on. We'll see if they work. These are super cute. They are intended to be baggy, and even though they're mid-rise, on me, I am actually short-waisted, so they actually feel high-rise, so that's a little trick that I use. I like mid-rise pieces because they're high-rise on me. They are a bit long. I kind of either want to just cut them off in the end and have them raw, or I want to cuff them. Let me kind of see what that looks like with them cuffed. They're kind of a thicker denim, So while I like the look of the cuff, they're a bit bulky with the cuff down here. So I think that I may just cut off the bottoms and have them raw on the bottom hemline. But I think these are a winner. I really love that whole print and the embroidery embellishment. What a cute find. All right, I've got my thrifted jeans here. I've already washed and dried them. They've been just sitting here waiting for me. I went ahead and tried them on to measure how much I want to cut off of the bottom. I am going to be wearing them a little bit lower than what I did in the fitting room because of my bag. But today I'm going to be cutting off 9.5 inches off of the bottom here. I do have a shorter leg. So all I'm going to do is take my tape measure, just line it up here, see where that 9.5 inch mark is, and just cut straight across. And I'm cutting through both the front and the back. And this is such a sizable amount of fabric that I will probably be able to reuse that for a future project. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other leg, and then I'm going to go ahead and try this on for y'all to kind of give you an idea of an outfit that I would wear with these. And here are my new to me jeans. I love the print on these so much, and the embroidery is so adorable that I wanted those daisies to kind of come up into the outfit. So the first time that I'm wearing these, I actually decided to pair it with this Anthropologie cardigan sweater that I've had for a while because it has these daisies here on the sleeve. It has the horse on the back as well, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorite pieces, but I love how this paired together. Underneath, I do have a Free People top. I need to have the longer length to cover my ostomy bag, and I think that it works perfectly. I love the lacy bits in here. I got this from a consignment shop. And then, of course, my gorgeous turquoise squash blossom necklace that my husband gave me years ago. And the shirt has lace on the cuffs, which just I'm able to peek out of the sweater cardigan. And I love how this all is paired together. Then I have some ivory cowboy boots on my feet, and the outfit is complete. I've really enjoyed being able to still create outfits like this. I don't get to do it every single day, and this is definitely a treat to be able to put this outfit together. And I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for allowing me this time to be able to focus on my health. I'm still not going to be on a regular schedule of posting, but hopefully I'll be able to get some more videos up for y'all. And I have no idea when I'm going to be thrifting again, but thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.